Hey guys, how are you? Hope you've all been well. Welcome to another lesson from the Spanish studio for you guys. This lesson is going to be on personal details. Personal details are important if say you've traveled and you need to tell someone your details, whether you're talking to the cops, talking to the ambulance or the paramedics, or you're in the hospital. Hopefully that never happens to you. Or just even checking into a hotel. Even the Uber driver asking you questions. So let's learn personal details and also how to answer them. This lesson will be fun. What I recommend you do is try to repeat the questions and the answers with me, or at least after me. Listen to the pronunciation. Don't worry if you don't get them 100% correct. Sometimes I still struggle with a few letters. This is just about us warming up our vocal cords and getting used to the way the Spanish sentences are structured. So, personal details, datos personales. In Spanish, we always have the adjective at the end. So, if I translated it literally, it would be details personal, datos personales. Spanish is a bit confusing sometimes, but just remember that. So, one of the first things someone's going to ask you is, what is tu nombre? Your name. ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Mi nombre es Andrea. Mi nombre es, my name is Andrea. Or you can just simply say, soy Andrea. Do you remember our video on to be? That comes from the verb ser. Soy Andrea. I am Andrea. Next, I'll ask you, ¿cuál es tu? What is your? ¿Cuál es tu apellido? What is your last name? Mi apellido es Vergara. My last name is Vergara. Or they could ask you, ¿cuál es tu nombre completo? What is your full name? Mi nombre completo es Andrea Vergara. They could ask you, ¿cuál es tu fecha de nacimiento? What is your date of birth? Fecha de nacimiento. Date of birth. Mi fecha de nacimiento es el 11 de noviembre 1990. What I said was my date of birth is the 11th, el 11 de November of November 1990. It translates to, 1990, but what we're really saying is 1990. Obviously, I wasn't born in that year. I like to think I am still that young. But you answer your date of birth. Or they could ask you, ¿cuál es tu edad? Look, if you look at the translation at the bottom, it kind of looks like, what is your edad, doesn't it? ¿Cuál es tu edad? ¿Cuál es tu edad? What is your age? Yo tengo, I have 22 años, 22 years. Or tengo 22 años. It translates to I have 22 years, but it means I am 22 years old. ¿Cuál es tu nacionalidad? What a mouthful. Damn. ¿Cuál es tu nacionalidad? What is your nationality? You could say, soy australiana, soy colombiana, soy de Estados Unidos, I'm from the United States. Can you see how the pattern sort of works? Next question. ¿Cuál es tu estado civil? Which is like, what is your marital status? Estoy soltera. I'm single if you're female, or estoy soltero if you're male, single. Estoy casada. I'm married if you're feminine, in a feminine sense, or estoy casado. Estoy casado. I'm married in a male sense. Or estoy divorciada, or estoy divorciado. I'm divorced. Again, the ending changes to ate or o, depending if you're talking in a masculine or feminine sense. Next question could be, ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? What is your phone number? If somebody's asking you on the street, you might be like, I'd rather give you my correo electrónico. I'd rather give you my electronic mail, my email, than my phone number. And lastly, ¿Cuál es tu país? What is your country? You could say, mi país es, my country is Australia, Australia. Mi país es Colombia, my country is Colombia. Mi país es Chile, Mexico, wherever you want. I hope you found that super useful. I'm going to have a quiz at the end because it's not going to be that easy. I would recommend watching this video again and try repeating it and get used to the structure of the sentences, but also getting the pronunciation down pat. And please follow us on Facebook, the Spanish Studio X, or on Instagram as well, the_Spanish_studio, for more little lessons. So we'll see you soon.